Good day, everyone. My name is Kimberly Isalos, BS Century.
Good day everyone, my name is Jantis Giridilla. I am currently enrolled in BS Entrepreneurship second year.
Good day everyone, my name is Fred Pulilan.
Good day, ma'am. I am Valentino Diego Andreas.
Good day everyone. I'm John Paul C. Asido and I will continue the report of
Good evening, everyone. My name is Raymar Zeranisis.
So we will tackle about local trends in tourism industry often reflect regional characteristics, cultural elements in specific geographic or economic conditions. While these can vary widely depending on location, here are some significant local trends emerging in different regions. First is cultural heritage tourism. Revitalization of indigenous and local cultures. Many regions are promoting their unique cultural identities, indigenous traditions, and historical heritage. Visitors are drawn to experiences like local festivals, craft workshops, and heritage tours that showcase traditional music, dance, and artisanal crafts. Culinary tourism, food-focused tourism is becoming a major attraction, with local cuisine playing a central role in the travel experience. Many regions are offering cooking classes, food tours, and farm-to-table dining experiences to attract food enthusiasts. And the second is rural and agri-tourism. Farm stays and agricultural experiences. Rural areas are seeing an increase in tourists seeking authentic, hands-on experiences like staying on farms, participating in harvest, or learning traditional agricultural techniques. This trend supports local farmers and offers an alternative to urban tourism. Eco-farming and sustainable practices. Regions with strong agricultural roots are incorporating sustainable farming tours and organic food production, experiencing appealing and to eco-conscious travels.
So number 3, local adventure and outdoor tourism. Small scale adventure experiences. So local outdoor activities like hiking, mountain biking, fishing, and birdwatching are drawing visitors who want to explore natural landscapes without the crowds of major tourist hubs. National parks and protected areas are becoming hotspots for these experiences. So number 4 is urban and creative tourism. Art and creative districts. So many cities are developing art districts showcasing local artists, galleries, and street art as a draw for tourists. So these districts often include open air art installations, murals, and creative spaces that cater to younger, culturally curious travelers. Number 5 is event-driven tourism. So festivals and local events. Many local regions are capitalizing on events and festivals that celebrate unique aspects of their culture or natural environment. These include music festivals, cultural fairs, seasonal celebration, and sporting events, all of which attract both domestic and international tourists. So, thank you.
Remote work and digital nomadism. Work from anywhere trend with the rise of remote work. More people are combining traveler with their jobs, leading to a growing digital nomad culture. Many countries are introducing digital nomad visas to attract long-term travelers who want to work remotely while living abroad, and also workations. Travelers are extending their vacations to include remote work and blurring the lines between leisure and business travel.
ang po sa guys na medical tourism na wellness retreats. Ang po sa hilig sa mga kuan ng hilig mga ubang mga kuan ba mga tourism na mag-travel ng laing lugar. Need po diyan ang mga dalanon na para sa ila ang important mas sa nasin yung nasa malita ana mga healthcare sa imong kalawasan kung unsa man gani ang maatuan yung mga laing place nalang ka in case of emergency nga pwede niyo makuha sa imong gidalan ninyo marat number 6 adventures and nature-based tourism. Outdoor experience, many travelers are opting for outdoor nature-based tourism like hiking, camping, and such remote and less crowded destinations are being favored over traditional urban hubs. Adventure tourism po rin mga adventures. Nature-based tourism, scuba diving and regattas are growing and world popularity, especially among younger travelers and those seeking high adrenaline experiences. So, ito guys, already itong niya po mag-experience mo sa experience adventures, travels, nature, mga busy mga tourism po, hiking, camping, may mountain na ako nga, kung sa ka ng mountain ba, muangat ng mountain, pwede po, ayos po na po siya, pang bilang mula sa tourism, sa local trends na local trends. So, number 7 guys, domestic and local travel routes. So, staycation and local travel. During the pandemic, many people opted for domestic travel. This trend is still prevalent as people explore destination within their own country due to travel restriction, cost savings, and safety concern. To personal short hauls, trips to neighbor regions of our countries are gaining traction, especially in areas where international travel is complicated by regulation. So, ganun sa guys, para sa mga domestic helpers na magtrabaho sa mga lalo ng mga laing alawarbabs anong kuhan FW na travel yapon na siya na pwede makasave wellness people explore explore niya iyang kaugalingon na life nga makakuha sa mga experiences na maabot niya may travel nga maka-interact with other people other countries region. Think that this trend guys is still prevalent people explore. Thank you.
Traditional hotels by offering unique, often more affordable accommodation. Travelers are considering looking for private and homes like environments, boutique and eco hotels. Smaller, eco-friendly and independent hotels are becoming popular as travelers prefer personalized service and sustainable practice over large hotel chains. Post-pandemic hygiene standards, travelers are more concerned about hygiene and safety protocols. Hotels, airlines, and tour operations are changing cleaning measures, and travelers often a destination.
Today, I would like to present the significant trend in both global and local tourism sectors. There are the example in local and global. Local, trend, and region. But there are three key trends that common actors many localities with examples. Number 1. Urbanization and smart cities. Many local governments are focusing on developing smart cities, integrating technologies, and improve infrastructure, public service, and quality of life. Example, Barcelona has implemented smart traffic lights and public transport system using sensors a lot of reduce and congestion improve sustainability. Number 2, affordable housing and gentrification. As urban population grow, many localities face housing crisis while efforts are being made to provide affordable housing. Example: in cities like Francisco, the gentrification has pushed up property prices, leading the initiatives such as rent control and affordable housing programs to support displaced communities. Number 3, local entrepreneurship and small business growth. With the focusing and supporting local economies, there have been increase in local entrepreneurship and small business, especially in response to the challenge posed in global supply. Example: many cities have developed by local campaign like Augustine's Small Business Saturday, which encourage residents to support local shops and service boosting and local economy.